Morning, my friends. We have electric soldering iron, PEMCO, that we have to fix for a neighbor. It is switched on now, plugged in, and it's totally dead. So let me open it up and see what's going on inside. Okay guys, I took the screws out. And let's see what's going on inside. Let's scan quickly over everything and see what we can see. And then I will look on my own and bring you back if I see something wrong. The customer say it just make a noise and then stopped. So let me inspect and bring you back. Okay guys, for a starter, I see on the contacts there, it is like points on your engine. It seems to be on the burn side and as well as on the other side there you can see. I hope it is in focus. So I think maybe that is corroded and it will not make contact, so I'm going to clean it quickly, put it back together, and we test it again. Okay guys, so far I test the plug, and the plug and the wire is correct. I get here connectivity from the positive and negative. I've tested the light, it worked from my 12-volt battery. And the switch, I cleaned all that points, so it switched on and off. When I make contact there, I can, it will from here go on and off. So the switch work, but still it don't want to get hot. And I get more or less 300 ohms if I read, sorry. If I read my meter right, 300 ohms through this coil. So everything seems fine. Even if I put on the resistance here to check if there's something wrong there, and everything is also fine. So there's one thing I just want to check more, and then come back to you. Okay guys, what I've done is I took this out. This is the correct soldering tip, and I replace it with a piece of wire, and still nothing. Okay guys, maybe I get the fault. I will now confirm. I took the plug and I took everything out there. You can see the whole assembly is out of the casing, and I test the ground to the plug, to the ground of this plug, and I could not get any connectivity. And then I just scrape with the point of the multimeter here, and then it go through. And the same with the live and the neutral. At first it don't want to give a continuity. But when I scrape it like this with a point, it goes through. So it seems if this is contaminated in some way. Let me put it on the paper and see what it do. Okay guys, still no difference with a clean plug.